everyone, welcome to Fun Food Fashion, another episode, another new recipe. Today I am going to share with you soybean bread pakora recipe, which is very tasty, yummy, easy to make and protein packed, as it contains soya, which is rich in protein, and this is a perfect evening snack with your tea, and especially in this monsoon season. So without further saying, let's get started. But first thing first, hit the subscribe button if you are new and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update on my channel. Now jump into the recipe. For making soybean bread pakora, here I have taken 1 cup of soya keema, which I have boiled with salted water. Next goes small potatoes, which I have boiled as well. I'm using 2 of them. Mash them completely. If you have a masher, potato masher, use that. If you don't have, like me, use your hands. So I'm going to mash the potato and mix it together with the soya keema. So it's done. Now I'm going to add the other ingredients. So first goes 1 small onion, which I have finely chopped, and then a small tomato, which I have finely chopped as well. Then goes green chilies, 2 green chilies, I have finely chopped them as well. You can omit this if you are making this for kids. 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and goes some greens, handful of coriander leaf chopped. Salt as per your taste. Now some red chilli powder, half a teaspoon. You can decrease the amount according to your taste. Next goes 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of chaat masala powder for tanginess, and 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Next I am going to add masala, that is bhaja masala, half a teaspoon, that is homemade, and 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder. And now mix them all together. Nicely. They are done. Now I am going to add a cup of soya chunks so that we get chunky soya granules in our mouth while we are having the soya pakora. Now mix them together with the potatoes as well. That's why I said this is totally protein packed recipe and very good for your health. Okay, now for making bread pakora, you need bread, of course. So I'm using 6 to 7 bread slices, and I'm going to cut off the sides, cut off the crust like this from the bread, and you can use this sides or crust for making breadcrumbs. So all of them are done. Now the next process. So here I have taken some water, normal water. I'm going to slightly soak the bread into that water, and by pressing them in between my palm, I'm going to remove all the excess water, as much as water I can remove from them, from the bread. Now take a portion of the soya and potato mixture and place it inside the bread and make a ball out of it using your palm. Press it so that it gets the perfect round shape, and it's done. So I have made all the 7 bread balls for making bread pakora. So they are done. Now I'm going to make the batter. For that, here I have taken half a cup of maida or all-purpose flour. To that I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of corn flour, next 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Mix them. Now I'm going to add some water. Little by little add the water. We need a semi-thick batter. So don't add all the water together, then it will become very runny. Add little by little, check the consistency and then only add more. So it needs just a little bit more. So I'm going to add some more water and whisk it using a spoon. So if you are making this pakora entirely vegetarian, then this is the process. Just use maida, corn flour and water, but I am going to make it non-vegetarian, so I am going to put an egg into that. So this egg is optional, but this will definitely make it more fluffier. So this is the consistency of the batter, not too runny but very thin. Now here I have heated up some oil for frying. Now I'm going to dip the bread balls inside the batter and place it into the hot oil. So I'm going to do 2 in one batch, and I'm going to fry them on the medium flame till they turn golden. Keep on turning them and splashing oil on them like this. In between, try to flip them so that all the sides are nicely cooked through. This will take hardly 5-6 minutes over medium flame. So after 5-6 minutes, you can see they are nicely golden in color and they are done. I'm going to remove them on a plate. Hold them so that all the excess oil goes away, and they are done. I'm going to do the same with the other bread pakoras. So here our bread pakoras are ready to serve. I'm going to serve them with some green chutney and tomato ketchup. You can use any other chutneys, and of course a cup of tea, and your family or friends, whoever is there with you, is going to love it. So enjoy this soyabean bread pakora. I have cut one of them from the middle, and from inside this looks like this. Doesn't it look so delicious? So just make this easy peasy soyabean bread pakora recipe as evening snack and enjoy your evening with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment section below about the feedback, and don't forget to like and share the video. Thank you.